The work that's behind me is very much still in progress. You can see the scaffolding up. We've been working all week to install 36 panels into the ceiling, which will all represent a portion of the Tянь-Шань mountain range in the southern part of Kyrgyzstan. The installation is sort of an homage to the environment that's surrounding the embassy. The landscape, which is incredibly beautiful, these sort of unspoiled mountain ranges, which I know are so important to the people here, and so I use that as my jumping off point to bring those mountains, which represent this landscape, into the U.S. Embassy and bring the Kyrgyz countryside into the U.S. Embassy.